Very sorry to interrupt. Secretary Babe Singson, I'm saying this po in front of the Mayor of Candaba at lahat po ng 4 distrito. Hindi po kami papayag sa impounding po sa Candaba Swamp. That is a wrong concept and we are not going to allow that. At dyan po sa Candaba, dyan po nag-umpisa ang Balahak movement. If you want a security problem, sirain niyo po yung hanap buhay po ng lahat ng mga magsasaka sa Candaba. Mag-walk out po kami dito.
Ma'am, excuse me. The total Candaba swamp is 2,000 hectares. Okay? Now, imbis na nababaha yung buong 2,000, like what's happening today?
Sir, Candaba Swamp and impounding is not the problem. There are many problems that includes, number 1, subsidence po downriver. Number 2,
I'm sorry?
subsidence po or sinking of the land.
But
Opo.
that's what precisely what he was explaining, is that hindi na nga hindi na napuno na. So, hindi natin sa downriver sa inyo. Kaya nga hindi na bumababa yung tubig dahil puno na dito sa baba.
Naiimbuto po.
Kaya nga, pero hindi, this is not something that we're doing intentionally. It is something that has happened because napakalakas ng ulan.
Hindi po napakalakas ng ulan because the water in
Napakalakas ng ulan dun sa taas, kaya bumaba yung tubig.
Yes po, but
All
the
right.
water level was not abnormally high.
Instead of arguing about it, what do you suggest?
Ito po ang suggestion ko. I will go reasons, no? Sige na po, okay, excessive rain. But this is not the largest storm that ever hit Pampanga. Number 2 po, silting po. The rivers are silted down river.
Let me focus you a little more
Opo.
clearly. What is your objection to the plan as Mr. Babe Singson has just done?
My objection to the plan, Candaba po, is this has been going on for a long
What
time.
has been
Gusto
going
po
on?
nila, yung tubig po sa Candaba, gagamitin po sa kanilang waterworks. Ngayon po, Candaba is, ito lang food security po ang importante sa Candaba. Hindi po natin pwedeng galawin. And number 2, this is private land. Hindi po pwedeng mag-impounding lang po ng
Okay, so
tubig
what's the
doon.
solution?
The solution po is to continue dredging, to check po on the flood control plan po of the Bulacan Airport to make sure makalabas po yung tubig.
Having supervised and administered all these dredging projects all around the country, they are temporary and exceedingly expensive.
Sir, meron po kaming Korean loan that's going to happen. So sana po matuloy po yun.
Everywhere that we dredge, bumabalik din eh. Hukay ka ng hukay, tapos after 6 months, wala pang 6 months, puno na naman.
Ang meron po namin is dredging with slope protection that